Dracula Dentures. Begin with 3 chocolate chip cookies. Cut each cookie in half. It is best to use a soft baked cookie. Using the underside of the cookie, apply the cookie icing. Doing one side at a time, draw the gums of the vampire. Add an additional dab of icing on the cut edge for stability. 21 mini marshmallows. 6 slivers of almond. Place the almond slivers to the side of the middle teeth. If you see a pointy side and a dull side, have the point side upright. Continue icing on the other half of the cookie. Place a small dab on the center marshmallow. Place the other half of the cookie on top. Gently press the icing to the marshmallows. Wait 2 minutes before serving to let the icing dry. Make sure the icing says dries hard for stacking. It will hold the teeth and almonds the best. And enjoy your Dracula dentures at your next spooky party.